Put our hands together as I invite and welcome His Excellency Senator Ahmed Makarfi, CON. Please can we give him a round of applause as he comes forward. Thank you.
What we are against is a coalition that cannot work. What we are saying is that PDP is the leading party, is the leading opposition party. Any such thing should be under leadership of our party. That is what Nigerians want to hear, and that is the difference in language. Why is that not going to work? They are our friends, they will come back. You see, we had internal issue, not because we hate each other, to do with the office of the National Secretary. It took legal issues, INEC regulation issues. Leaders said, look, let's not walk into a trap. What does the law say? What does INEC regulation say? And when we saw it clearly, we said, let's bury the hatchet, let's move to a convention, united, and elect new national officers that would drive the party. That's on one office. We had that. It took us that long. But the issue in the ADC is the entire structure in the country you are talking about. It's the entire structure in the country you are talking about. It's not about one position. I took the liberty just to know where I am in my state to request for certified true copy of the leadership structure. And it was given to me officially. And it's clear that their tenure will expire in May 2026. So if somebody has given you a structure now, which structure? For God's sake, which structure? You see the legal mess people are walking into. People are looking, some of them, majority of them that have moved. I'm confident by the time we conduct a very successful national convention, do the needful, overwhelming majority will return. Not only will overwhelming majority return, we'll also get other people from other parties that will come and join the PDP. The BOT shares the views expressed. It's even illegal to belong to two political parties. And when PDP started, it didn't have a single councillor, not to talk of chairman, and up to president. It was built. So, we can rebuild the PDP. No matter anybody's position, it is more honorable. If you want to stay, you stay. If you want to go, you go. We are not saying people should go. We want them to stay. But it's better people make up their mind where they are. And we will rise, we will fly, and God willing, PDP will become stronger than it was in the past. Thank you. God bless.